friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. Fine friends, I'm back with the battery draining test on the Realme GT Master Edition while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. So this is one of the most requested video in my channel. The main reason is because the Realme GT Master Edition has got the 4300 mAh of battery capacity, and few of the users, they want to know how long the phone gonna sustain in terms of the battery life. That's what this complete video is dedicated for. And during this time, I'll try to use the 4G SIM card only during this time of gameplay, and try to select the brightness about close to 70% brightness. So 70% brightness I'll try to select, not 100%, only 70%. And smooth and extreme settings 60 FPS I'll be playing the gameplay. That's also another thing which I thought of just mentioning. You need to open the settings at this moment. Right now the battery is charged to 100% exactly. You can clearly see 100% fully charged. It showed this message as well, fully charged. And I do have the stopwatch ready, and there's a small chart which I did prepare. I'll try to write down for every 1 hour how much percentage battery decreased, what is the temperatures. In this way we'll be able to understand what is going on with the Realme GT Master Edition. So let's get started, friends. Without wasting any time, let me know to start the stopwatch as well, and the stopwatch has been begun and is a quick look. Let me know to start the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So right now in the initial times the temperature is about close to 32.8 degrees. Not bad, it's pretty low. My room temperature is 30 degrees, so it's kind of very close, not bad. So let's see, friends, how much the temperature will increase and how much the battery will decrease. And during this time I'll try to play the game continuously. So I'll try to play the game sometimes, but I'll try to give to my brother also. My brother will play the game for a couple of hours, because I need to record other videos. That's the reason. So as you can clearly see, I'm trying to use the smooth and extreme settings only during this process of demonstration. You can clearly see here, and I'm trying to play only the classic match. So let's see, and you can see the real-time FPS, and you can see the CPU and the GPU usage of it's utilizing during this process of testing. Even I'll try to use the earphones connected to the phone. That's also another thing which I thought forgot. Yes, yeah. So right now, and the volume is set to the, I think, close to maybe 50% volume. Not bad. So 50% volume and hit select during this process of testing. Let's see, friends, how much the high temperature and battery can decrease in the Realme GT Master Edition. So again, I'll be back after maybe close to 1 hour of time. As you can see, friends, after playing for close to 1 hour of time, let me show you exactly the battery percentage decrease. It's about close to 85%. So for 1 hour, I did play continuously, friends. So using the 4G data only. And during this time, I did not observe any kind of high temperatures, maybe close to 40 degrees, maybe close. That's it. I did not increase more than that. So sometimes around 39 degrees, sometimes around 40 Celsius. Nothing much more than that. But overall, for the 1 hour of time, the battery decreased by 15%. So let me need to write down the readings for 1 hour. So right now it dropped up to 85%, and the temperature is about close to, I think, 36.7 and 37 degrees. Not bad. But highest, I did show you the highest is about close to recorded 38 degrees. The highest was. So I will be back after close to 1 more hour. Then we can actually understand what is happening with the Realme GT in terms of the battery draining details. So right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to exactly 2 hours of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's see how much the battery got dropped in this phone. Let me exactly show you the results. Right now the battery decreased to 67% for 2 hours of continuously playing. Exactly 2 hours non-stop, 67%. Let me need to write down the readings for the battery percentage. 67. And the temperatures, let's check how much it is. It's of close to 37.8 degrees. So it's kind of very similar to the before results as well, 38 degrees. So overall the temperatures was maintaining around close to 38 degrees Celsius. This is a temperature reading for the first 2 hours of time non-stop gaming. So as I said, sometimes I did play the game, and sometimes my brother used to play the game. But overall, I am trying to use the gyroscope sensor as well during this time of testing, and not bad in terms of the heating. That nothing much major temperatures. Even the backside also, it's kind of 37 degrees. Not a huge high temperatures, nothing like that. Not bad. So I'm gonna be back after some time, friends, maybe close to 3 hours. Then we can actually understand what is happening with the battery draining. How many hours you can actually play. So in this way, we'll be able to come to the conclusion after maybe 3 to 4 hours. We can come to that kind of conclusion what is happening in this device. So only using the 4G SIM card only continuously. Only 4G SIM card, nothing else. 4G data. So I'm going to be back after 3 hours. So right now the time is about more than the 3 hours of time exactly. Clearly you can, as you can see clearly, friends, playing in the Realme GT Master Edition. So non-stop, and the temperature is slightly kind of close to 37 degrees as well. Sometimes 37 degrees, 37.8 degrees. So I'm seeing kind of close to that 38 degrees and 40 degrees during this process of testing the gameplay in this phone. And let me try to show you exactly what is the battery percentage at this moment. The battery percentage is of close to 46 percentage for 3 hours continuously playing the Badminton's mobile game only, non-stop. For 3 hours non-stop. Let me show you the settings, what it is. Let's go to the battery and show you this. As you can see friends, 3 hours and close to 7 minutes of time as well. Exactly, I'm trying to play the non-stop the Badminton's mobile gameplay only during this process. And not bad. So let me try to write down the readings as well. 46 percentage is the battery dropped during this time of testing. Let me try to write down the reading. So what happens is that at the 4th and 5th hour the battery will be dropping very fast. So usually till 50% will be kind of okay, but less than again 50% it will take a lot of time as well. I mean, in terms of draining, it will drain fast. So 37 degrees and 38 degrees kind of temperature. Overall, it's maintaining around 38 degrees during this time of testing. So I'm going to be back after next 1 more hour, then we can actually understand more details. So right now the time is about close to 4 hours and 8 minutes of time, as you can clearly see friends. Sorry for the late. I was continuously playing the game non-stop, and even my brother was playing continuously. That's why I lost track of the time. But overall for the 4 hours of time, let me need to show you exactly what is the battery percentage. Right now the battery percentage dropped to 25 percentage for 4 hours of gameplay continuously. You can clearly see here 4 hours. So overall the Badminton's mobile game you can actually play up to 5 hours of time maybe in this device. That's the thing. So you should definitely understand friends, playing at using the 4G data connection, the battery will definitely drain slightly more. Okay, so if you're trying to use with the Wi-Fi connection, maybe you might get 30 minutes more, but using with the 4G data connection, this is another thing you should definitely understand in the Realme GT Master Edition. Because of 4300 mAh of battery capacity, that's another little bit kind of drawback at this point, but still. So overall for the 4 hours of time, the battery dropped to 25 percentage. I need to write down the readings, and 37 Celsius is the temperatures. The temperatures was always around close to 38 degrees, 38 Celsius only during this time of demonstration. Nothing much huge difference anyway from the beginning to end. So let's see friends, I think the phone can hold up to maybe close to 5 hours of time, because below 25% the phone battery will drain very much faster, very fast, below 25% every time. Not only in this phone, in most of the phones as well. That's another thing which I did notice. So let's see what happens in this test using this kind of 70% brightness, using the 4G data connection, non-stop playing. Non-stop playing, I'm not just running, I'm playing non-stop. So that there's a difference, running continuously and playing non-stop. So I'm playing continuously friends. So I can be back after 1 more hour. So after 5 hours of playing continuously the Badminton's mobile game in the Realme GT Master Edition, the battery dropped to, let me show you exactly, the battery dropped to 4%. You can clearly see friends, 5 hours non-stop I did play using only using the 4G data connection, with the 4G data and with the 70% brightness, around 70 and 80 kind of brightness only I'm trying to use during this time of testing. And the battery dropped to 4%. So at any minute the phone can get completely switch off as well. Let it to write down the readings before that happens, and here's the 4% readings. So definitely friends, the battery draining little bit is there. I think definitely the low battery also you can consider. So 4300 mAh of battery capacity as well, that's another thing. But all the temperatures are maintaining around close to 37 degrees. So 37 degrees, the temperatures are not consistently maintaining, it's not increasing. I cannot see any kind of a major increase in terms of the temperatures. Nothing much huge increase. And the gyroscope sensor is also working completely fine without any kind of problem in this phone. So there's not much complaints regarding the gyroscope sensor as well. It was really accurate. As you can see, it's really fast. No issues with the gyroscope sensor as well in this device, in the Realme GT Master Edition. And let's see friends how long the phone can actually hold up. So I did get plenty of comments as well before saying that the phone, they're getting only 5 hours of gameplay. So maybe yes, 5 hours of gameplay is kind of possible in the Realme GT Master Edition. That's little bit kind of battery less, not a huge difference, just a little bit, but still the battery is draining a little bit kind of more than usual. It's kind of 4% at this moment. So right now the time is anyway is 5 hours and 8 minutes. So again I'll be back after some time just to show you what is happening with the results. So right now we did get the indication of 1% of the battery. Let me show you exactly, friends. As you can see, clearly 1% we got the indication. Now it's time to check the statistics of the phone. So continuously, let me to show you the battery settings. Let me slightly decrease the brightness. So right now it's kind of brightness. As you can see, right now it's 1% exactly. And you can see the screen on time as well. It's kind of close to 5 hours and 19 minutes as well. Not bad. And is the Battlegrounds mobile game, as you can see here. Non-stop I was able to play. 5 hours and 23 minutes. You can clearly see continuously. So you can see, friends, the power consumption and everything, how the details are. So friends, in the Realme GT Master Edition, the final conclusion is that you will be able to play the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT Master Edition in between 5 hours to 6 hours of time, in between this time. So if you use the Wi-Fi connection and if you try to decrease the brightness slightly, a little bit more, maybe close to 50% brightness, you may get that kind of playback, maybe close to 5 to 6 hours of time. That can be in the middle. So this is a quick review, friends, on the Realme GT Master Edition, which a lot of users are actually waiting for this review. So finally is a video, and I thought of including Epic kind of battery draining test, but in the Epic review what I'll try to do is that I'll try to keep on running in all the phones. I cannot play continuously. In this phone I did play continuously, me and my brother. That's the reason I was able to make this kind of video here. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts, and if you want similar kind of video on the iQOO Z5, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll try to do the iQOO Z5 maybe tomorrow, so stay tuned for those videos. Every day I'll try to upload one video. In this way we'll be able to get to know what is happening with each smartphone, so how much battery life we can actually expect in individual devices. That's my main idea of making this many videos. So that's it, friends. Thank you. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take. Still the game did not end, not yet. Still there's a 1% left in the battery, you can clearly see. So this is going to take some time as well, maybe close to 2 minutes or 1 minute. Let's see how long this is going to take. So right now, as you can see, friends, even when the battery percentage is 1%, you can see the FPS how it's maintaining consistently, I mean close to 50 FPS, and you can see the CPU and the GPU percentage, how much it is utilization, even at the 1% as well. But still it was able to give that kind of level of continuous 60 FPS, not much problems. I did not see any kind of lag, and it doesn't feel like phone is at 1%. It doesn't feel, yes, no, not at all. Let's see, friends, how long the phone gonna hold. The right now time is about 5 hours and 20 minutes of time overall, the time which has been happened here. So this is going to be really very interesting to see how long the phone can actually hold. Right now the time is about 5 hours and 23 minutes. Still the phone has got some charge. Last 1% is holding pretty much longer than expected using a 4G connection. It's pretty long. So right now the phone is completely dead. As you can see, friends, clearly around close to 5 hours and 26 minutes of time the phone completely got switch off, as you can clearly see here. So 5 hours and 26 minutes of time overall the phone has been taken, as you can see, completely to. So this is the final battery draining test, friends, on the Realme GT Master Edition, which I'm really waiting to see. But these are the results which we got, 5 hours and 26 minutes in this device. So maybe if it has got maybe 4500 mAh battery capacity, this could have reached maybe close to 5 hours 45 minutes or maybe close to 6 hours, somewhere around that. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video until straight for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.